With age, skin loses its elasticity and the signs of aging become more visible. Beneath the skin's surface, structural proteins such as collagen decrease over time. This leads to a decrease in skin's elasticity and contributes to sagging and the forming of wrinkles. Ultherapy is a non-invasive way to lift and tighten skin and is US FDA cleared and EU CE mark certified. Using microfocused ultrasound along with its proprietary deep sea ultrasound visualization, Ultherapy delivers energy to where it will be most beneficial, leading to a lift and tightening of the face, neck and décolletage. During an Ultherapy treatment, ultrasound waves are microfocused at precise depths in the dermis and hypodermis, sparing the skin surface and intervening tissue. Friction heats the tissue to between 60 and 70 degrees Celsius, forming thermal coagulation points at depths of 1.5, 3 or 4.5 millimeters. Delivery of ultrasound energy in this manner causes contraction and denaturation of collagen and initiates the body's healing response, resulting in collagen and elastin synthesis and tissue repair. This new collagen growth leads to skin lifting and tightening that gradually takes place over time, with visible improvements that can even be seen a year after treatment. Ultherapy is scientifically proven to stimulate new collagen and elastin, which can reverse the signs of aging in the face, neck and décolletage.